Got a nice chunk of pork side right here. Well, I just saw some bites on my fishing rod. My bait got stolen, so there's something out there. There's definitely some fish out there messing with my bait. Question is whether they're big enough to swallow the hook. Ooh, there might be something on there. Most of my bait's gone. Fried pork side, hot tortillas, salted rice, and a little bit of green pepper hot sauce. There must be a whole school of little tiny fish out there because I keep getting bit up and all my bait's stolen, but nothing's hooking up.